Today I'm going to talk about the best Wi-Fi garage opener available on the market. At number 1, Chamberlain MyQ Smart Garage Door Opener. With this smart garage door opener, you never have to worry if you forgot to lock your garage door ever again. In addition to allowing you to control your door from anywhere you are, this device also gives you notifications in real time, alerting you whenever your door is opened, closed, or has been left open. Again, you do not have to worry about missing packages, as it is delivered in garage. And with its access sharing feature, you can invite about 3 other people to control your door as well. At number 2, Nexx Garage NXG 100B Smart Garage Door Opener. Enjoy a smart life with this device. With just a tap of your smartphone, you can control your door and get notifications if your door is open or not, so you can secure your door from anywhere you are. You could use a voice prompt to let your guest through the garage when you are busy with something else. It lets you automatically open your garage door hands-free once you drive near your home. There's a built-in reminder to let you know if you forgot to close your door, and to keep track of who opened your garage door and at what time. At number 3, Genie Aladdin Connect Smart Garage Door Opener. With this smart device, you can control your garage door, open, close, and get notifications anytime, anywhere. You can get instant alerts when someone is trying to access your door, even manually, especially those that are not authorized to do so. That way, you can take the necessary actions to stop them. That is not all. This device also allows you to open your garage door for anyone without having to give them a password for temporary access. And you can keep track of the history of your door use.